Hello everyone, welcome back to another repair video. Today we have Dell laptop. The problems that this laptop has is the keyboard is no more functioning. Let me see if we can troubleshoot and fix, or if not fixable we have to try to replace with another one. Okay, wow, that's a good wallpaper there. Let me turn it on once. Okay, power is coming, screen is up. Okay, let's see if the keyboard is actually working or not. See, we don't have anything at all. See, so what is to be done at this point is maybe it's the driver that is not working properly. It might be the case that the keyboard itself is not the one that is causing the problem, but actually it's the software that is pre-installed inside the laptop, so we have to check that one. Okay, so we cannot use any keys here, so we have to open up, go to setting, then let's enter the ease of access. Let's go to keyboard and then turn on the on-screen keyboard. So we have to use the on-screen keyboard to actually search for. Okay, it's coming up. Now what we have to do is I'm going to type device manager here. Okay, D E. Okay, device manager is out there. Let us open. I'm going to minimize this keyboard. These are the options that we have when we open the device manager. First of all, let us go to, okay, that's the keyboard. Let us expand the keyboard and then select standard PS2 keyboard. Okay, right click on standard PS2 keyboard, and what we have is update driver software. So, and then goes to browse my computer for driver software, and then click on the let me pick from a list of device driver on my computer, and then you have to select the standard PS2 keyboard. Just click it, you're done. Click on the next button. See, installing driver software, and then close. And then what we have is your hardware setting have changed. You must restart your computer for these changes to take effect. So press yes to restart, and your computer is going to restart now. I hope these steps will solve the problem. Okay, laptop is been boot up now. Let us see if we have the keyboard working or not. Oh, we done. The keyboard is not working even now, but the cap lock light has been lit up. See, we indeed have power going inside the keyboard. Alright, so we know that now by reinstalling the driver does not solve the problem. Now we have to go to the next step, go to setting, and then I believe now uninstalling the driver and reinstalling will not do the tricks, so I will jump that step. And okay, what is, why am I going to shut down? Okay, go to setting. We have to open up the on-screen keyboard again. Yes, okay, turn on the on-screen keyboard. Okay, we should have now. And now we have to type, we have to try to open the task scheduler. Okay, now task scheduler is already up there. Open the task scheduler. I'll minimize this keyboard again in case if you want to use later. So now we have this bunch of options now. So in the task scheduler, what we have is we have the task scheduler library. You want to expand that option, and you expand Microsoft and expand the Windows again. So you have a bunch of lists here. Scroll down and search for, okay, text services frameworks. click on that option. Okay, what we have. Okay, now what you want to do is press run. Okay, I have pressed run already, and now we have to restart the computer again. Then power, and then restart now. So we have to wait for the computer to boot up again, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. Restart anyway. We did not close the on-screen keyboard. Okay, let us wait for the keyboard to boot up once again and see if we have the problem fixed. If it's not fixed by now, then I think it may be the actual problem lies on the keyboard itself. Okay, the screen is coming up. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now let's see if we have the keyboard fixed or not. Okay, see, we have nothing coming out from that taskbar. See, there's nothing going on. So I believe at this point the actual problem is the keyboard itself. So let us try to remove and clean up a little bit and see if it works. Okay, yes, I'll remove the keyboard now. Take the connector out. These are graphite conductive traces, so I'll clean it up with a eraser and see if it works. You don't have to use some fancy eraser for this. Any eraser, any kinds of quality eraser can do the job then. Okay, I hope that it will be enough. Then don't forget to clean up. Most of the time the problem could be because of dirts and loose connections. Okay, hopefully this will work. Let us reinstall back. Okay, turn the laptop on. Yes, laptop is back on now. Now let us see if we have actually a working keyboard. Well, we still have nothing at all, so let us replace the keyboard now without spending much time. Okay. Okay, now we have actually, it was the keyboard that is causing the malfunctioning. See, now we actually have, if I type taskbar, TASK, see, I have the task scheduler, task manager, you know. Let us open the Microsoft. So it is the keyboard that was causing the problem. I'm going to fit this one. This keyboard is going to stay here forever now. Okay, now we have, see, we actually have the typing functioning now. So it was not the software, it was not the driver that was causing the problem, it was the keyboard itself that was malfunctioning. This laptop is now fixed. Installing another keyboard. This is the bad one. Okay, so that is what you have you're supposed to do if your keyboard is not working. Before buying new one, you want to check your driver software, you want to check your connections and all. Okay, so that is what we have today, and please continue to stay with me and expect more videos like this. Okay, please do share and subscribe, and please continue to support me.